guys love this Disha Patani inspired makeup look, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to MyGlamm's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Also don't forget to download the MyGlamm app. If you want to watch Deepika Padukone's inspired makeup look, click here.